finally got it frickin' running good. It's running like shit. I just replaced the plug, the cap, rotor, and the fuel filter. Oh yeah. Nothing like a frickin' V8 Chevy 350. 25 years old, frickin' 190,000 miles, still frickin' doesn't even burn any oil. Frickin' awesome.